you guys, this is Ro, and I'm going to share with you how I made my dinner for the night. Lasagna and spaghetti, keto style. First, I add a half a pack of ground turkey into my pot. And while my meat is cooking, I will begin to add my seasonings. And one of them is Italian seasoning. I will also have my water boiling for my noodles. Onion powder. And also garlic powder. I love garlic. I put garlic in everything. Okay, then I added a little bit of seasoning salt to it. And then I added the Rao's spaghetti sauce. And I like this spaghetti sauce because the chunks of mushrooms, if you like mushrooms, it's big chunks. Not small chunks, big chunks of mushrooms. So you don't have to buy any extra to add in your sauce. And when I was cooking this, I did not know at the time I was just going to go ahead and make some lasagna. So you don't see it in the clip, but I end up adding more meat to my mixture. And then I added just the whole bottle of the spaghetti sauce. Because right here, I just used half of the bottle. Then I added some pink Himalaya salt. After I stir everything together, then I cook it on low for about 30 minutes. These are the palmini spaghetti noodles that I use. They are low in carbs, and I first rinse them off real good. They have a funny smell to them. Then after I rinse them off real good, then I pour them into my boiling water. And I cook them for maybe like 30 minutes because they're kind of hard and I don't like them hard. I like them kind of soft. This is the palmini lasagna noodles, and I cook these basically the same way that I cook the spaghetti noodles. I rinse them off real good first, and then I put them into the boiling water and let them cook about 30 minutes. Then I start laying them into my lasagna little pan. out of the oven. Ooh. I should have let it sit a little longer. But all that cheese. This is the finished result. I can't wait to dig in.